Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how I style my client's hair from start, middle to end. So this part of the video you're going to see me detangling her hair. Her hair is extremely thick, so her density or her hair texture is extremely thick in consistency. So I had to apply the Coconut Restore conditioner with a bit of the spray mist bottle to dampen each section to allow detangling of her hair, and it worked absolute treat in her hair also. So once I've done that, I've rinsed her hair out and her hair was ready to be shampooed using the Coconut Restore shampoo. I didn't use the conditioner afterwards because I had applied it to help detangle her hair, so I went straight in with the deep conditioner, which is by the Coconut Restore Repair Mask, and I left that in her hair for 10 minutes using the Heat Treat Deep Conditioning Mask, which you can put in your microwave for for a minute, depending on how high your wattage is on your microwave, but a minute is sufficient enough. So I've allowed that to sit in her hair for 10 minutes to help the product to penetrate through the strands of her hair. The protein treatment helps to strengthen her strands, helps with elasticity, so meaning she should be able to pull her hair and it should be able to bounce back without breaking, and also to help with moisture balance in her hair. So every 4 weeks she'll do a protein treatment, every 3 weeks she'll do a moisture hair mask to help with that protein and moisture balance. So her hair had been rinsed out, and now her hair was ready for the styling process. So in the styling process, I applied the Coconut Restore leave-in conditioner, which has a great amount of slip. It is quite watery in consistency, and it worked a treat in moisturizing her hair, so it kind of just melted into the strands of her hair. So after applying the leave-in conditioner in all sections of her hair, I went in with the main choice. It doesn't get butter than this, and then for the oil to seal in all the moisture, I use the Sunny Isle Jamaican black castor oil, and I've applied that in all sections of her hair. So I kind of parted her hair in the way how she wanted it to be styled, and yeah, it worked a treat. Her hair felt extremely soft from using that product line, and it's always best to kind of stick with the same kind of products from the same line in order to get the full effect from the products. Or the other thing that you can do is look at the ingredients and source ingredients from another line that are quite similar, in order to get like a really good effect from the products. But all products mentioned here in this video can be bought from naturesnaturalhair.com. If you are first time buying with us, don't forget to use the discount code at the checkout, and I'll let you watch the rest of this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Do subscribe if you've come this far, because it's free and we want you to join the family. And I'll see you guys in my next video, which will be talking about the steps on how to get a defined wash and go look. Thank you. Bye.
Our only hope is to forget.